Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I am here with some simple but beautiful glass bottle decoration ideas for a stylish home. Hope you will love them and would definitely try them. For this we only need fabric glue, a few half pearl beads and golden glass outliner besides the glass bottle. We'll draw a line with fabric glue and put the pearl beads to form the outline. Need to draw some simple pattern with the golden glass paint outliner. You can draw any pattern of your choice. Now I'll repeat the steps on the other half of the bottle. For the finishing touch, we'll add the string of pearl and a few white flowers on the neck of the bottle. For the second one, I have used golden and silver glass paint outliners to draw this pattern. We'll add a few pearls randomly using the fabric glue. A glittering border and a few flowers added on the neck of the bottle for the glam look. And now I have got a beautiful piece of art. This fantastic home decor is pretty easy to make and fairly inexpensive. For more such budget-friendly home decor ideas, stay tuned. Thank you.